Sunny Yasmin or Jasmine. I don't know how to pronounce this YouTuber's name. I've already reacted to another video of her that was also in Meghalaya. In the thumbnail, it said that this was camping in Meghalaya. It's gonna be super interesting. We see also some cliff jumping and some swimming. Wow. This is gonna be so much fun, so I don't want to waste too much time talking. There will be a link in the description so you can check out the original video as well and subscribe to her channel. And yeah, let's start with this kid, very happy wearing a Juventus jersey. Good job. Bro, wow, look how low the sun is. That's crazy. Oh my god. Bro, this place is so beautiful.
We're taking this boat across to go to Fifi Falls. It's 100 rupees per person. It's a wind here. Oh gosh. It's a field of cows. Oh, I'm scared. Don't get too close. None of us know where the actual trail is, and we were kind of lost. And then one of the locals called out, "Hey, you have to go this way." So basically, you just have to follow the river to find Fifi Falls. We're literally chasing waterfalls today. We made it to the falls. We were at the top of the falls. Now we have to go around, check down, so we can go swim in the water. Oh.
Beautiful. Oh my god. What?
Oh, it's like a natural swimming pool.
Oh my god.
The waterfall we saw earlier was not the main fall. We turned it right at the trek and hiked down about half an hour this way. And this is the main waterfall. Wow. That
Bro.
just might be the bluest water I've seen under
How
the
high
waterfall.
is that?
Can't wait to go swim. Oh, slippery. Yeah, I made it. This feels amazing. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, this looks so nice.
Oh, that's
Oh, there was two.
Oh. Oh. Can I say something? How do you
Press it.
press this, right?
For 1 second
Yeah, I'm
and then
pressing
Yeah.
Speak now.
Ground control to Major Dookie.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we're going on a camping trip today. I have no idea where we are going. Is it Kadum Falls and Kremchimpe? Maybe they're the same thing. I don't know. All I know is we're camping in front of water and it's going to be beautiful. Let's go!
That's so interesting.
Wow.
the song is like us. The song is
I
us.
like it.
Love with you. If I can't help falling in love with you.
We finally arrived. That was a rough road, but there's a cute baby here. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh.
He is smiling.
No. Come on, little
He's like
kitty, kitty,
not
kitty.
interested.
It's a baby kitten. Hello. He's too shy. It's a nice, quiet village. Hello, puppy. Hey, handsome. You're good looking. Wow, the sun is setting. Hello. Hi.
Rejected us.
Who? Oh, really? You already said hi?
His expression was like,
I feel like that would have been my reaction when I was a kid too. I was so shy.
really?
I was so shy.
I was so annoying.
Really? I would like hide behind my mom's back. I'd be like, if anyone said hello, I'd be like, oh, I'll be hiding.
No, I was like, who are you?
Why? How dare you say hi?
How dare you ask me my name?
Oh, it's so pretty, the flowers.
Let's get
There's three.
Oh my god. Wow, I would be so scared. Oh my god. Yeah, I like cats. I like dogs also, but I'm scared of dogs. Oh my god, especially. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow.
Okay. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh, this house would never have a thief. Got a local accessory. Hello. Doesn't want bad food. He eats healthy stuff.
I got rejected.
Did you hand out all snacks?
Yes. That girl who had refused me back
Yeah, she
there.
took it. Hello.
So cute.
Why did the chicken cross the road? Oh, they're so skinny. They need to eat more. How does chicken cry in India?
I don't know.
What?
I don't think I've ever seen a chicken cry.
No, I mean like in English we say cock-a-doodle-doo.
Why would they cry?
They say like dogs are like woof woof,
Yeah.
cats are meow, chickens are cock-a-doodle-doo. Isn't there one in? That's it.
Something like that.
I don't think so.
Something like that.
Cuckoo.
So, how do they speak is what you mean?
Yeah.
Cry? I was like, why would a chicken cry?
Aren't animals
What?
all crying?
What are they upset about?
Not that kind of cry. Cry as in like, woo, you know?
Yeah.
So there isn't a specific one?
Nah.
Huh.
Just kukuruku. Oh, yeah, it's kukuruku.
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 That's very accurate.
Hello.
In Italian, we say kikiriki. I don't know why, because I've never heard that chicken say kikiriki.
Oh, ducky. Hi, kitty.
Oh, that's so cute.
We're sitting in the back?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you could
You're
stand.
gonna stand in the back and then move around like a pendulum.
You ready for this? Deepa, you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Here we go.
Oh, that's so interesting. Never. I should try.
I love it.
ये जो हवाएं आ रहे हैं
ये जो हमारे head है। What does that mean? Oh,
where does this come from?
loving it. We made it. It's pretty dark outside now, but you can already see how clean and clear and blue the water is. It's beautiful. Wow. Can you see this? Oh, I gotta show you in the
Kinda.
morning. It's so blue.
Wow, that looks so cool. I never camped before in my whole life. I always wanted to try it, but never had the occasion of doing it. Wow, that's so cool.
Not a bad place for a campsite. So beautiful. Good morning, guys. We camped out here last night. Can you see that? And I swam here last night. It was completely black. And now you can see how beautiful the color of the water is. Check this out.
Bro. It's so
Okay, I
clear.
definitely gotta go for a swim.
It's so clear that you can see through. That's incredible.
와, 너무 좋다. I had my morning swim, feeling really refreshed. And we're just waiting for our captain to prepare our morning chai. Are we going somewhere just to look?
We are going to a waterfall.
Oh, that's it.
2 waterfalls, I guess. But I want to do boating.
Dugi, boating kare? Tell me something funny to say.
Funny to say.
Nothing weird. Okay, I don't trust you anymore.
She was thinking too much.
I already saw your face.
I can't help it. My
I know. You're like staring down at me like, what the is this girl thinking? Cheers. Mr. Doogie makes good tea. Get some wood.
I've been living in the jungle for 14 years now.
14 years.
I just want your audience to know. I came here with my ex. Now I can't find her. It's been 13 years. Lost her.
Did you kill her?
Lost her to the jungle. I will not admit that on record. But we can speak about that once.
On private? Okay.
Why we need kerosene? Kerosene by Ira.
Oh yeah. So I kind of drank this last night. It was dark.
That's why we
And
have so
he
little of
keeps
it
it in a water bottle. It didn't look blue in the dark, so I put it in my mouth. And they hold it for like 3 seconds until I realized this is not water. And spit it out. It was
Oh my
disgusting.
god.
So disgusting.
What that was?
I don't know. Not put it in a water bottle.
Do you want to try again?
No!
Maybe.
You try it. It was so bad.
Maybe you'll start to like it now.
No, it was so bad. And at first I thought it was just water gone bad because it was so close to the fire. But no, I was like, this is not it. This is not water.
भाईजान हम ना थोड़ा सा कुछ कर रहे थे.
Oh yeah. I can't believe I put that in my mouth.
These are from my own hens, okay? I have 14 of them.
Okay.
1 egg each from one hen. This is from Rajwanti.
This is from Deepanvati.
Oh, her name is
Sanjay.
Deepavali.
Yo, you're gonna crack all the eggs like that.
The eggs in the
Use your spoon. Use the spoon.
This is
See, if you have so many ideas, why don't you become the one doing this and I'll get behind the camera?
It's
I
okay.
think your audience anyway wants to see
I
more
think
of
I
you.
still have kerosene in my mouth. I shouldn't be too close to the fire. That's gonna be cut.
Music play. And how was the boy last night? And how was the other boy last night?
How many eggs are we boiling?
How many boys you got?
Oh. Is it filtering water out?
is doing absolutely nothing.
Oh, why do you do that for then?
Because if I,
Oh, instead of doing it one by one?
yeah, if I take the plate will just
Oh,
fall
okay,
out.
okay.
The appropriate amount of milk. Anybody has any opinions?
I think that's a good amount.
Indian jugaad.
Indian sugar?
Jugaad.
Jugaad?
Makeshift.
Jugaad? What is that?
It's a makeshift arrangement that Indians have been doing it
Lighter.
for a long time.
Okay.
So this is jugaad.
And who says that we should?
In
ban
Korea, we
plastic?
make noodles in the bag too sometimes if we don't have, bowls. But you're eating it with your hand and the milk?
Yeah, why not?
She was just holding a spoon.
Maggi for our
It's
breakfast.
Maggie. It's the last supper.
Jesus.
Jesus! I dare you to wear your jacket right now for like 5 minutes. That's true. It's so hot right now. All of us was just chilling by this little shade from this car. It's the only safe place in this whole entire area. We're burning. Bye bye lake. Is that Phuket? You're back in the water? This is his little tent setup. It's nice.
So cool.
Will be my life one day. You guys wait.
Bro, that's such a cool
Stay
experience.
tuned. Bye! See you never again! You're literally driving through rocks.
Wow.
That was a fun ride. We're trekking down to Kadum Waterfalls. So the water looks so clean. The only problem is we don't have drinking water and we're so thirsty.
There are water only.
Just drink this.
From anywhere. From anywhere, crystal clear water.
Pani pani.
Oh,
So we're actually coming back to the falls later and going to the cave first. It's this way. You want to go first? Slippery. Oh, we're gonna go this?
Oh my god, that looks so
Oh, the
dangerous.
water is so cold.
Wow.
Actually, that feels so good.
Bro,
Wow. We're
so
on top.
cool.
Oh, oh, that feels so good. Woo! Oh, that's a little scary. Wow. She's just walking in.
Bro, that's crazy. I didn't even think you could do something like that. That's crazy.
The comfort.
Wow.
Wow, look at these roots. It's very cool. Yeah. Going through waterfalls and jungles and rocks. This is real nature. This place is so cool. What an adventure! It's not the safest place to get to.
Yeah,
But-
definitely not.
I think it's worth it.
Wow.
Just make sure you have good shoes. Wow. There's some holds here. Oh, it's so cool over here. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, we're entering the cave. This is so cool, you guys.
Oh, those are
Into the
beds.
cave we go. It's so cold. Actually, once you're in, it's not too bad. Oh, it's just so cold, you guys.
10,000 beds. What the hell is that? Is that Mount Moon or however it was called, the mountain where you get inside in Pokemon Blue? That there are all the Zubats, wild Zubats attacking you. And you need flesh.
Oh, are we going on this rack? Yeah. Oh. There's things dripping in the water. It's just water? Yeah. Not bad pee. Oh, I hear them. I don't like that. Look what we just crossed. It's so beautiful. This place is insane. It's actually so pretty. Oh, it's so dark. What is it?
Oh, there was a spider in the water.
With a
What?
spider?
Yeah, spider, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where is it?
It's gone, I put it.
Oh. We're like her servants. Our queen, our majesty. Oh, thank you. I've been glorified. I'm never gonna wash this hands. Into the cave we go. Wow. Wow, you guys, the water is so clear.
That's crazy. Bro. This doesn't look real at all. What the hell?
How are you feeling? You want a beer?
Do you want a beer? Bro. How can you say no? Oh my god.
That's so cool. Nice.
Oh, we even get wow. I never tried that either. Bro, it's so incredible.
Because it gets pretty commercial in the afternoon. How are they holding on like this? Is this car stuck? Oh damn. Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow, they're so cute. Sounds precious. She's hiding. Meow. Meow. Hello. Wonder what they're doing. What's going on here? Huh? Look. You see?
That's super cute.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Arun.
Alunta.
Arwin.
Arwin. I'm Jasmine. What's your name? Huh?
Mayalang.
Mariela. Mariela.
Mayalang.
Mariela. It's very
Mayalan.
pretty. Wanna say hello to the camera? No? Hello. Together.
Hello.
So cute.
You're so cute. To the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Woo! Beautiful. Can I get your autographs?
Wow, she's so adventurous. I saw the other video hiking alone in South Korea. Oh my god, yeah. If I will ever start making these travel vlogs, it's gonna be a total different style, like just me walking in the city probably and trying stuff and interacting with the people, not adventurous stuff. I'm really not cut out for that. So yeah, this was a great video. Really enjoyed it. Go and check out her channel. There will be a link in the description. And yeah, let me know what else should I check out next in the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.